Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In previous video, I have shown you how to design this user control, that is medicine validity check, and how to backend code for this. So if you have not watched my previous video, then just go to description, there I put the link for my previous video, or you can simply do one thing, just click on the suggestion on the right side of the screen. Okay, so in this video, I am going to show you how to design for this one, that is the cell medicine. I am going to show you how to design this user interface, that is the cell medicine. So let me close this and move back to the project on which we are working. We are working on pharmacy management video, so move back over here and let me start this and show you till here our task is done. So I've started the project, will take few seconds. Let me log in. Here you can see this. Till here our task is done. We can see the details of medicine, the expired and everything else. But when I click on cell medicine, nothing happens. So let me log out and close this and let's start working. So first thing what we have to do is we have to add new user control. For that, let me just make this one large. Let me minimize this, and in the pharmacist user control I have to add new user control. So right click on this, click on add user control, and what we have to do is we have to give a name to this user control. I'm going to name this one UC_P_cell medicine, like this. Click on add, and this will add a new user control to the pharmacist UC. Here you can see this UC_P_cell medicine. Right click on this, go to properties, and before that move back over here or any other user control, and what we have to do is just copy the form size, the controller user control size. So copy this, move back over here, right click, go to properties and paste the size 1104,770. After that what we have to do is just right click and go to properties and change the back color, change this one to white. Click on custom and select white. Then we have to add new label. So go to toolbox, search for label in the toolbox, drag and drop it over here. Or let me do one thing, just move back over here and we need this one. Copy this and paste it over here, and what we have to do is just click on this and change the text, change this one to cell medicine. After this what we have to do is we have to add one sync button, which we have added in the previous videos also. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just copy that. So in the view medicine, I guess we have that sync button. So just click on this and select this one too. Copy this and let me close this one and paste it over here and drag this one to the proper position like this. After this what we have to do is, let me just show you in the complete project, we have a label, a text box and one list box. So I'm going to add these, and after that one by one we are going to add each of the stuff. So move back over here, and first thing I'm going to add one label. So drag and drop one label. Click on this and let me maximize this one like this and change few properties of this label. First I'm going to change the text. So text is search. Go to font, change the font. Click on 12 and hit OK. Yeah, this one is better. After this what we have to do is we have to add one text box. So search for text box, and I'm going to add this one, Guna 2 text box, and drag and drop it over here like this. First thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the font color. So this one is placeholder for color. So this one for color, it means that whatever written inside this one needs to be in this color. This color is different than black, so I'm going to change this one to black. So for that, click on this arrow and select the black. Now whatever we write inside this one will be in the black color. And one more thing what we have to do is we have to change the font size. So click on this, select 11 and click on OK. And here you can see the size for this one is quite large. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just copy the size from here. So size is this one, 210,36. So click on this, OK, and click on this one, search for size, paste it, hit enter, move this one to like this one. After this, what we have to do is we have to add one list box. So search for this and list box, drag and drop. Just drag and drop it over here like this one, and move till this one to the bottom. After this, what we have to do is we have to add few more stuff, that is the medicine ID, label, text boxes and other stuffs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just copy this label and this text box as well. Just copy these two and paste it over here like this. Okay, we need to move this one a little bit upside like this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the size of this one. So copy the size and move back over here. Click on this, search for size and paste it and hit enter. Now by default the color, the text color, the font color we have changed for this one. So now we have copied this and pasted over here, so that font color for this one is also changed accordingly. We have to move this in one little bit on the down side like this. Yeah, this is good. After this, what we have to do is we have to add few more combo boxes and text boxes. Paste it like this. We will change the name later, and I need one more label. Paste it over here. And what we have to do is we have to add one date time picker. So I'm going to add this one, the Kuna 2 date time picker, and I need one, so I'm going to delete the other. We have to increase the size like this, and what we have to do is we have to change the fill color to white and border thickness from 0 to 1. After this, we have to change the format to short from the long, and finally we have to add few more text boxes. So copy this and paste it over here like this one, and we need two more. So I'm going to paste this two more times like this. And finally what we have to do is we have to change this label name. So for the first one, what we have to do is just change this one to medicine ID, hit enter. After this, the second one to medicine name, this one to expiry date, this one to price per unit, this one to number of units, and this one to total price. So in these, what we have to do is we have to make this one only in this text box. We are only allowed to make changes. In these text box we are not allowed to make changes. Whatever the inside these all will be only read only. So click on this change this one from read only from false to true. It means that whatever written inside this one will be, you cannot change that. In the same way we have to do for the rest. Okay, not for this one, but for this one for sure. Search for read only. I can't able to find it. Please help me. Where it goes? Yeah, here we go. Change this one to true. Finally, the task till here is done. Next thing what we have to do is we have to add few buttons over here. So first thing, I'm going to add one button. So search for buttons, and here we have these Guna 2 buttons. So drag and drop it over here. Place this one on the proper position. After this, just click on this one and change the text first. Change the text to add to cart. After this, what we have to do is we have to set the image first. Image, click on this one. I've already provided all the image and icon link, and the link is already in the description of this video. So click on import and explore where you have to store the images which you have downloaded. And here I'm going to use which icon, let me just show you. Okay, so this will take this one. Open and hit OK and increase the size to 30, 30 and change the fill color as well. So 0, 118, 225, hit enter. And after this, what we have to do is we have to increase the font size a little bit. So increase the size to 12, or I guess bold 12. Yeah, this one is better. After this, we have to change few more properties. That is, the border thickness will be 1 and border radius will be 19. Let me copy the button size from here. So click on this one and let me copy the button size. So button size is 146, 48. So move back over here, click on this and search for button size. Hit enter and here we have this button. After this, what we have to do is we have to set the border color. So border color, change this one to 0, 118, 225, hit enter. And whenever we hover over this, it means that whenever we are going to click on this one, the border color needs to be changed and the fill color also needs to be changed. So go over here and search for hover state, just click on this and border color will be 0, 118, 225 and the fill color will be white and the for color will be 0, 118, 225. Hit enter. Yeah, this will definitely look nice. First, we just move this one a little bit on the right side. Yeah, this one is looking better. You have to adjust accordingly. After this, what we have to do is we have to add one data grid view. So I'm going to just add data grid view. So I'm going to use this Guna 2 data grid view and drag it and drop it over here. And first thing what you have to do is you have to just set the border style to fix 3D. After this, move back over here and I'm going to copy the size from this data grid view. So the size is 756, 237. So move back over here, click on this and copy the size and paste the size actually. Enter. After this, let me just copy the location for this one. So location for this one is, click on this and paste it over here and hit enter. Okay, so we have to move these little bit upside because there is a lot of space on the upside. Yeah, this one is looking better. There we go. According to my system, this one is looking perfectly nice. Yeah, here we go. After this, what we have to do is we have to set few more style. So we have to change this one to column border 14 to 10. change this one to 21. Okay, so it's not changing now. We will execute this once, and after that we will do that. So after this we have to add few more buttons, so I'm going to just copy this and paste this over here, so that when we copy and paste, the button is copied with its properties. That's why I have did that. So copy and paste over here. So click on this, and first thing I'm going to change the text. So change the text to remove. Search for text. Yeah, change this one to remove. And after this we have to change the image as well. So click on image, import, and we have to use the minus sign. Yeah, this one. I'm going to use this one and click on OK. Yeah, this one is looking nice. After that, for this one, just click on this, select the image, click on this one, and we have to use the card. Yeah, this one, purchase, and hit OK, and change the text to purchase and print. Purchase and print. And let me increase the button size a little bit like this. This one is looking better. After this we have to add one label over here to show the total amount. So let me just add one label. Just drag and drop it over here. Click on this one, and first select for auto size and make this one false. After this we have to set the fill color for this one, the back color. So change the back color from white to little red like this one. After this, for now I'm going to set the text alignment to center. Search for text alignment. Search for text alignment. So where the this one. Select the center. After this, change the text to rs.00 and hit enter. And what we have to do is we have to increase the size. So let me move back over here to the complete project and go to the bottom and click on this one. Let me see the size for this one is 18 ppt, and the label size is 111,48. So move back over here, click on this, click on this one, and the font size is 18, hit enter. And after this, for this one, the size will be, hit enter. Yeah, this one is looking nice. After this, now our design is ready. So what we have to do is we have to just connect this one with the dashboard, the pharmacist dashboard. So how to do that? For that, first go to the toolbox and search for Guna to ellipse. Guna to ellipse, drag and drop it over here. Click on this one, go to target control, click on this and search for UC_P_cell medicine and save this. Copy this one and move to the pharmacist. It will take few seconds, I guess. Yeah, here we go. Paste it over here, and here you can see this Guna to 6 ellipse. Target control, change this one to panel 2, and panel 2 is this side panel. The second half, we have added 2 panels on the pharmacist dashboard. That is, the first one is this and second one is this one. So we have to set this one to panel 2. Now start and stop this project simply to load that user controller into the toolbox. So I have started the project and I'm going to stop this. Now our project is started. I'm going to just close this and move back to the toolbox and move to the top, and here you can see this UC_P_cell medicine. So drag and drop it over here and just put this one on the proper position like this. Here we go. Next thing what we have to do is just connect this one with the button. So for that, just click on this and first change the design name. So change this one to BTN Cell Medicine. Hit enter. and now the name for this one is changed, and now double click on this and this will generate a click event for btn cell medicine. And here what we have to do is uc underscore p underscore cell medicine. So yeah, you can see this cell medicine 1 dot visible is equal to true, and uc underscore p underscore cell medicine dot bring to front. You must be worried about that from where this ucp cell, this one, from where this name is coming. So the user control that which we have to drag and drop from the toolbox, this one, the name for this one will be this one, uc underscore p underscore cell medicine 1. That's why we are coding for this one. Okay, so what is this? So we must did some mistake, that's why this one is cell medicine dot bring to front. Yeah, here we go, this one is right. And one more thing what we have to do is when this form loads, we have to hide that user control. So uc underscore p underscore cell medicine dot visible is equal to false. Now start this and let's check if this one is working fine or not. So now our project is started. Yeah, here we have to enter Kumar and Kumar to sign in, and finally we have to click on this one and cell medicine, and here you can see this. Yeah, everything is working. We cannot write anything inside this one. Yeah, here you can see this. Now our GUI is ready, and here you can see this. When I hover over this, the fill color is changed to white and the text color is changed to blue. You can see this, it's looking really nice. So that's it for this video, guys. In the next video I'm going to show you how to backend code for this. So just stay tuned, subscribe and share with your friends, and thanks for watching.